Close your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath. In today's meditation, we are going to cut all the cords that is making you believe into your illness. So keep relaxing as much as possible. Breathing deeply and let go of anything that is coming in your mind. Allow your body to relax and allow your mind to become absolutely still. Allow yourself to enter a sacred space of healing where you can release and let go of all these unwanted beliefs that is not needed in your body. Bring your awareness completely and totally inside your body. Notice all the discomfort, all the pain, any sort of illness that you're feeling right now. Just observe, just be with it, get aware of it. Say to yourself, it is safe to get healed. I'm ready to release and let go all the illness, all the belief that I'm holding towards this illness. Bring your awareness into the area of discomfort, area of pain. It could be one, it could be multiple. Just feel that. Look very closely, very sharply. Slowly, you will start noticing their energetic cords, the cords that is holding the belief of the ill health, pain, discomfort into your body. The belief could be, I'm not healthy, I'm suffering, this runs in my family. It could be anything. Just feel it. See them clearly, observe it. Say clearly, these beliefs are not my truth. I choose to release it out. Feel a pink color light from your heart spreading in your body. This pink light reminds you the love and gratitude towards the body. Feel this light, grow this light, expand this light. This light will help you like a tool to cut the cords, to release the beliefs. Give a command. I release all limiting beliefs about my health. As you say this, allow the light to cut the cords one by one. Allow it to get released. Free yourself from these cords and also release all the fears towards it. One by one, cut the cords and allow these cords to go up into the sky, into the white light of the universe where it will be recycled. One by one, cut all the cords. Wherever the cords were attached, see this pink light of love and gratitude filling those spaces, making body feel warm, nurtured, loved, and respected. Refill all the areas with this light and allow your body to feel warm, nurtured, loved, and valued. Keep saying to yourself, my body knows how and where to heal. Each and every cell of my body is restoring the balance. Today, at this moment, I release inherited patterns of illness. Instead, I choose vitality, well being, vibrant health. Let your body feel and absorb all these words deep into your cells, deep into your memories, deep into your organs, and deep into yourself. Cut all the cords and replace it with this energy of warmth, love, respect, and gratitude. You are free, your body is free. Allow your body to glow, to feel balance, to feel protected, to feel loved. Restore the trust towards the body's intelligence to get self healed. You are safe, you are healed, you have restored your vibrant health. Take a deep breath and allow the process to happen naturally, effectively, lovingly. Keep feeling this and allow your body to bring the balance. Allow your body to restore love and nourishment. Keep feeling it. Be into your body and allow this light to spread into each and every cell, each and every part, each and every organ of your body, inside and outside you. Allow your body to feel free. Allow your mind to feel free. Breathe freely in your body. Keep relaxing as much as possible. Take your time before you open your eyes. Be with it.